Today we're going to be installing a ratchet rake, new install, on a Bush Hog 2346 QT front end loader. And a ratchet rake weighs 110 pounds, it's a 72-inch model. And there's some preparation you have to do before you can do that. Such as get the stuff out the way that you got to work with. Alright, what it says to do in the instructions is figure out how thick your bucket lip is. So the bucket lip on this is 7/8 of an inch. So according to the instructions, it should fit right on. I don't have to cut it. But should you need to cut it, there are provisions on the ratchet rake. About a ½ inch more, you can cut up to 1 3/8 inches for the thickness of your bucket lip. According to what I just read, I should not have to do that. I just got to get this thing out of here. And let's see, I think it goes. It weighs 110 pounds. And you're supposed to put it on the ground to install it. But being the hard head that I am, I'm going to try it without doing that. You have to put on some shackles to hold the clamps. Of which it appears that I only have one shackle. Which means that I can't install the ratchet rake. Because I only have one shackle. Ah, there it is. It fell out the bag. Alright, these shackles go on the outside hook. And you just put it through there. So you got to put the cable in first. But you also need to find out which cable you need. They got short cables and they have long cables. The short cables let's measure the bucket first, and it tells you the bucket depth. Alright, this is the bucket depth, 27 inches. So, for 27 inches we need the long cables. That's these. So you take and you put your shackle through your cable and then hook the shackle. Alright, same thing on the other side. This may or may not work, because if it don't hook and stay on there, I'm going to have to put it on the ground, whether my hard head says I don't want to or not. So we're going to see right now. Let's see. Oh yeah, we're going to have to, because I don't think there's a way to hold this thing. Oh yeah, because it's going to want to flip back. Now let's see. Like that. according to this, according to what I'm seeing, this thing should go back more. I'm thinking I want to put it back more by cutting it a little more. If I cut it a little more, and I'll show you what I'm speaking of. If you see right here, if I cut a little, about a 1/4 inch off of there, that thing will slide back more right there. And that's persistent all the way across. I'm thinking I want to do that, because that would put the ratchet rake on to the bucket about another inch. So I think I'm going to do that. Alright, back off again for us to cut it. I kind of cheated. I got out my grinder and I grinded off what I needed to grind off. And as you can see now, it sits the way it's supposed to sit on top of there all the way across. So now what you do is you hook your strap up to your long cable, come over the top of the bucket. I gotta spin it around. Come over the top of the bucket, and you take this, hook it in there, put the cable through here, like that. Okay, did it come loose? Nope, it didn't come loose. Alright, and that's that. I guess I kind of lost you. And then you just ratchet it up. Oop, I want to get a little more slack in it. I want to ratchet up the slack like that. So that I don't have much cable laying out. Alright, that's it. That's tightened to the thing. That's all it does, no more. And you do the same thing on the other side. Ratchet it up. That's it. It is done, ready to use. It don't budge. One ratchet rake ready to go. I'm finished with the ratchet rake for today. I don't know how much you can see, but that was weeds 6 feet off the fence. And now it is raw ground. Thanks for watching.